What up, good people? Huge shout out to Southern Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2024 Blazer EV. Get ready to meet the future of electric SUV. The 2024 Blazer EV is a perfect blend of style and performance, wrapped in a cement white with a striking 192 inches in length and a confident stance at 65 inches in height and a 112-inch wheelbase. It's designed for stability. This Blazer is ready to conquer any terrain with its ground clearance of 7.8 inches. Buckle up, because this SUV is here to redefine what it means to drive electric. Experience the exhilarating power of the Blazer EV, driven by a dual permanent magnet motor, pushing out 288 for the instant torque 333. This SUV launched you from 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds with a top speed of 111 miles per hour and a remarkable efficiency: 103 mpge highway, 88 mpge city. This electric SUV is engineered to thrill every mile. Here's the sound of this beast. The Blazer EV is a standout on the road with a sporty appeal and a unique eye-catching detail, including a walk-up lighting and an illuminated Chevy emblem. This have an MSRP of $50,000. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats with red accents throughout the whole vehicle. Right here we're looking at 11-inch digital cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your battery percentage. On the right you have your kilowatt. In the middle you have your time. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can configure your cluster gauge, your Google Maps, your gap assist with your clean screen, and much more. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your gap assist. Looking on the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your menu button and your regen shifter. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your electronic parking with your lane keep assist with your auto hold alongside your interior dim. Looking on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your memory seat settings. Looking down on the door pane, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we're looking at a 17.7-inch touchscreen display with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa running the latest My Chevy. The buttons right here are your one pedal with your traction control. You have your 4-way backup camera. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control. In the cup area, you have your Type-C outlet. You have your cup holder area with your wireless charging pad. You have your glove box for extra storage space. You have your rear view mirror camera. We done made our way up to your interior lighting alongside your SOS Safety Connect on start with your 4G LTE network. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're also greeted with black leather seats with red stitching. You have your air vent. You have your Type-C outlet. Your passengers have heated seats. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 25.5 cubic feet, with the rear seats folded down, measuring at 59.1 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious. You can put a couple of 50-inch TVs back here. Once again, huge shout out to Southern Chevrolet for allowing me to review the 2024 Blazer EV. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.